different country, different foreign. Yeah, they're on next foreign. What's the name of this airport? Punta Cana. Punta Cana. Luggage here. Everybody pick up them something and gone. See that? See that? Luggage. That's mine. Yeah, that's mine. This one too. This, yeah. No, just take them. No, it's okay, it's okay. We don't need them on that, darling. Thank you. Wow, put a kind of. Ooh. Yeah, thank you. Where is Santo Domingo? Happy Mother's Day, one and all. I not even care about one and. Ooh, look over there, so weird. Let me show them. God. I back at them there with them, so we grab your phone. I still take Mother's Day. I don't give a shit about Mother's Day. I just got on my truth. But thank you. May I have bigger fish and fry. Yeah. When I go back to London, I'm supposed to have enough Mother's Day present to get. Bomber clat! A whole heap of yacht, whole heap of bikers. Over here, nice. I'm excited. I'm intrigued. I'm intrigued. I'm intrigued. You never see a Ferrari down there? Yeah, man, Ferrari there, man. You know, so over here, them the truth, do it because when Rachel and me they come over here and cute him, we do a video for one of them. So true, enough of them, not far over here. You know, see them at Jamaica, really. You leave them to them in the none. Over here have money, man. Yacht, like trip boat, ski bike. Yeah. And them say the bike and them will grab my phone. But me a bad girl, them not grab my phone. So them see them I say, Queen Rave! All of them don't know it. Oh, the boy of them? Allah, the same one them? Oh. Bomba clad, Lamborghini. I'm sorry that. Big white fire. Nice. Wanna see that? Ferrari. What? Why? That's Valley. Yeah. Yeah, nice. So with the Santa Domingo? What? Oh, Buckler! Ferrari! Queen. The man just said, no, I forgot back it for that woman. Him back it, man. Baba, man. And I can't, let me tell you, Jamaica buy him in a party. Yeah. You know, I will take care of them, you know. Find him young, him love fire. And London love Porsche. Yes, so the man back it before him squeeze it. Man goes, what? I can't find him. What? Is that a crossbar? Oh, yeah, I remember them in Jamaica, them that Jamaica. A long time I didn't see one down there. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. So when you go on the brakes, that highlighted. That's it. I never noticed that. I changed out one of our body. That's something we have found when it broke. At the front? At the back. The front one broke too? The front one broke too? Yes, I agree. When you still tell me Happy Mother's Day, thank you though. Happy Mother's Day to all the moms, the grandmothers, all who have no pitney and still their mother, the auntie, you know. Happy Mother's Day to the father, them where mother, because you have some father where mother and father for them pitney. And happy Mother's Day to the mother, them where mother and father. But I can't see there, I can't see. Designer body, I'm coming, ladies. Right, so Dominican Republic. Make it possible favor for no look of pussy pension, tacky pension, partner, whatever, come over here, come live life. You hear that? Who want come the pussy, who want the belly, who want the breast, who want the mouth. It's here for you all, okay? We're not having no money. Let me go on a little view, man. I know a little view. No, you can't tell me something. Ha ha. When me in Jamaica, every minute hear them, oh, you're there all over. You're there Spanish Town. You're there Waterhouse. No, you cannot tell me something. Oh, I may have to tell you with me there. Anyway, ladies, as you know, we're all mothers, all of the mom them. I don't know a mother's job never ends. As big and tough as all as me, is a nigga Jamaica man, tired my mama, you know. There are certain things that if she not do for me, it can't be completed. It's just a motherly touch. Yeah, it's true though. No matter how old you big, no matter how independent, for you do have well. Mama Clyde, I never see it yet. Mama Breaker. I never see it do it. Yeah, that's cute. As I was saying, crazies, yeah. What was I saying? Oh yeah, them cute. Do you need to kit up your one for sure? Yeah, crazies. As I was saying, I know no mother hear that. Remember we can't get all the one mom, and a mom's job never ending on. You see the 1 week when me go back to England, bumbo class. My mother, my grandmother, and my great grandmother when I reach work. Nastasia make use of me. I love Nas. Big up Nastasia. Happy Mother's Day, Nastasia. Nastasia say, Mom, as soon as you come in the country, you're going back out, so I have to work. You come get the boys. I listen to them, I have a bad day for them. I have this yesterday. I have them the day before, the day before, the day before, the day before. All I did them on my day, I mean, them carry them go to look at school runs. And it just show you, no matter how responsible you is, independent, and you live by your own, that role of life is a must. And it continues. And see, them drive on the opposite side. You see? Them drive on the right side. So big up all the mothers. And the way you're flying in my head, Queenie, make sure you do it done before surgery. Oh, my iron up. What name iron up? Make sure my iron up. Nash. What name iron up before surgery? Iron my clothes. Like somebody said, I don't beard. Really? Don't really rude. So I mean if I iron my clothes, iron up. And allow my man, I don't want nobody tell me for them. I'm a one bigger man. I'm a know what for them. I don't want nobody. Don't leave me the fuck alone and don't confuse me. Every time, I next and it's in here. And we're in Santa. I never can call it here. Santa Domingo. Santo Domingo. Eh. What? What's that? Right banana. Chocolate. Lord, I'm so fucking rich. I want to eat it now. Boom, 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 boogie down, boogie down. But my heart, you're frig. I left England cold with 3 layer clothes. Are the ocean summer for come? Is this it? Let me call her. Driver. Yeah, the apartment. So I'm to the recovery house. Apartment is anybody. Eh? Apartment. I know this is the apartment, yeah, but I'm saying I wanted to go to the recovery house. Yeah. Phone her, please. Yeah, carry them, can I put them? We can put the suitcase them in and then go to the recovery house, yeah? Can you get my slippers, please? I'm not put time at them the train and then fuck that. Careful. It's hard for the anger. Alright, crazy. I'm going to start up myself and call them back. Is there anyone in there now at the apartment? Okay. Yes. How they at the recovery house? Recovery house tomorrow. Hold on. Alright, I'm going to hang up them people and start out then. Should I pick up? Crazy is my soon phone in the back. I start out business. Don't move.